living positively, living positive, living positively, living positive.
Molweni, namkelekile ku Siyayinqoba Beat It, inkqubo yakhe wonke ubani ophila nentsholongwane kagawulayo. Abalingane bethu, izihlobo, iintsapho zethu, abantu esisebenza nabo kunye nabasebenzi bezempilo. Igama lam ndingunokubonga Yawa yaye ndiphila nentsholongwane kagawulayo. Kwesi siqendu sanamhlanje siza kuqwalasela ii-events ezibalulekileyo ezimalunga nemiba ye-HIV ezithe zenzeka kunyaka ka-2009. HIV is not in recession. Lona ngumyalezo ophuma kumatshantliziyo ye-HIV aqhubeka esebenza nzima ukugcina unyango lwe-HIV nendlela esinokuzikhusela ngayo. Iyimiba ephezulu kwi-agenda yeenkonzo zempilo kwesi sizwe sethu. Nanamhlanje kusekho abantu abangaphezulu kwe-1,000 mihla le abaswelekayo ngenxa ye-HIV. uSiyayinqoba ebemenywe kwinkomfa ye-Positive Convention ibibanjelwe eRhawutini kulo nyaka ophelileyo. Kule nkomfa ndiye ndachukumiseka kakhulu emphefumlweni ngoba bendiqala ukuma phambi kwabantu ndithethe. Masikhe sibone uba kwenzeka ntoni. Namhlanje sise-Johannesburg eMidrand. Size kwi-Positive Convention e-organizwe ngabantu abaphila nentsholongwane kagawulayo beyi-organizela abanye abantu abaphila nentsholongwane kagawulayo.
Welcome to this Positive Convention. I want to start this program by reading you an email which I received from somebody who's in this room today. It says, "Dear Polo, the idea of a convention excites me. Many of us are out there eager to share our experiences and learn from others. It comforts me to know that soon I'll be in a room full of people who understand where I'm coming from. People who understand my fears, anger, frustration, the appreciation of every breath we take. People who know how it felt or feels to be bitter, betrayed, disappointed, alone, and hopeless. Once again, thank you for bringing this positivity in me." I'm going to ask Justice Cameroon to come and speak.
Let us see your heart. Let us see your heart. The minister's heart. The minister's heart is with us, ladies and gentlemen. Give him a hand. Minister, we honor you for being with us today. We honor you for your new openness and leadership and commitment and accountability. Now let me tell you why I honor the minister. The minister has brought a new era of leadership, and today's meeting with us here, us the positive people of South Africa, is critical to form a partnership with the minister to make a breakthrough in this epidemic. Now last week, our President Jacob Zuma, gave a remarkable speech to the National Council of Provinces. Let us applaud the President, ladies and gentlemen. Let us give him a round. The President showed in that speech that he understands this epidemic and he understands what's got to be done. You know what he said, and I want us all to say it with him. He said there must be no shame, no discrimination, no recrimination. He said we must end stigma. We come here in an epidemic of silence. We come here in an epidemic of the voiceless. We come here in an epidemic that until now was not properly managed. We're not looking back, but we have to understand our history of mismanagement and denialism, which President Zuma also referred to, because he put a close to it and we're moving forward.
I think since the onset of HIV, we've wanted to know what is stigma. And in the work that I've been involved in, we've actually defined stigma as a social, powerful label, a label that we give to other people. And this label is powerful because it sticks onto the person. But it is also an attribute or a quality that significantly discredits somebody in the eyes of others. And if I'm stigmatizing against you, I'm basically discrediting you in my eyes. You're lower than I am. We need to challenge the media. We need to talk to the media about some of the issues that are related to stigma. There must be an emphasis on educating men. We need to challenge perceptions that sees women as victims and men as perpetrators. We need to develop programs that are inclusive of people living with HIV and as well as men who have sex with men, and address HIV-related stigma in healthcare. But I think as people living with HIV, positive prevention and prevention of HIV is our responsibility too. It is not just somebody else's responsibility. So, it begins with you.
I've been asking myself, how did we come here as people living with HIV? And I realized that it's time for us to celebrate and to remember the people who have helped us to be here today. Siyayinqoba Beat It has been shooting and recording faces of people and to show the struggle that we are having on HIV and AIDS. When we plan our way forward, it's time to remember those people.
How can I sing a love song when my brother is dying? How can I sing a love song when my mother is dying? South Africa, now is the time to stand up for your right. Treatment plan now. Siyayinqoba, Siyababulu, Siyababulu, Siyayinqoba, Siyababulu, Sisofela, Sisofela, Sikijima njengamasenya, Sikhasela njengamasi, Siyababulu, Siyayinqoba, Siyayinqoba, Sibunga. Namusha ilanga.
The more they delay, the more people are dying. Because what we need to do now, we need to stop the new infections. Then we need to treat, give people antiretrovirals who are HIV positive.
The minister is a big dreamer, and in his dream he said he wants everybody to access voluntary counseling and testing. On the 1st of December, the president will announce when this day is that we will start. In the meantime, what we are doing with colleagues in the Department of Health, with all the partners that sit on SANAC, putting together a database of all the facilities in this country where counseling and testing is being offered. We making sure that we can predict the numbers of people that will come through, but much more importantly, assessing the state of readiness of the health system to cope with a massive influx of people that test, that might require care, treatment, and support, and also those that will test negative who will need ongoing support to maintain their status. Cabinet, especially Treasury, made a commitment that there will be no province that runs out of ARVs anymore, and we trust and believe that that is going to happen.
I'm very happy and very proud that so many people are coming up in the open to help us fight. Because really we need, from all sectors of society, from the HIV positive people, from government, from civil society, each must do their bit to fight this case.
Is it true that on the 1st of December, on the World AIDS Day, you are having an announcement?
Well, the president will be addressing the National AIDS Day. Let's just say he will mention a few strategies which we are developing in government about our new approach to HIV and AIDS.
Thanks, Tata, for your time.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
I-Positive Convention ibe lulutho kakhulu kum, ndifunde lukhulu. Bekumnandi ukudibana nabanye abantu abaphila ne-HIV abakhe bahlangabezana nezinto endikhe ndahlangabezana nazo nam. Kumnandi ukubona ukuba awusokoli wedwa kwaye baninzi nabanye abantu abenza umsebenzi omkhulu ekulweni i-HIV.